Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
What is a one-sided limit? Let's take a look at a function in a table. Here we know f of 2 does not exist. So let's look at what's happening as x values approach 2 from the left and the right. From the right-hand side, let's say our y values are 4.2, 4.09, and 4.003. And from the left side, let's say our y values are negative 0.8, negative 0.98, and negative 0.998. We can see that from the right-hand side, the limit as x approaches 2 from the right, the values are getting closer and closer to 4, and from the left, the y values are getting closer and closer to negative 1. Let's try to illustrate this on a graph. From the right side, as x approaches 2, our y values have to approach 4, and from the left side, as x approaches 2, our y values have to approach negative 1. The purple arrow shows that the limit as x approaches 2 from the right of f of x is equal to 4, and this following arrow illustrates that the limit as x approaches 2 from the left has to be negative 1. Notice the function can do anything else outside of the area surrounding x equals 2, so I could have drawn the other green parts of this function going anywhere that I wanted.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.